Connect the controller. The chess platform turns off the sensing function of the new key. Long press the key sensor button until the key light turns green. Connect the chess platform power supply. Press the green button. Keep programming. Press the black button password not. The LED is on. Press the black button. Represents the first digit of the password, 1. Wait for the LED to flash. Enter the next password and wait for the LED light to flash. Press the black button 8 times. The second digit of the representative password is 8. And the third digit of the password is 0. Enter the next password and wait for the LED light to flash. Do not enter. Enter the next password and wait for the LED light to flash. Represents the fourth digit of the password 2. Press the black button twice. Enter the next password. Press the black button 4 times. Representative password 5th digit for waiting for the LED light to flash. Enter the next password. Press the black button twice. Representative password 6th digit 2. Wait for the LED light to flash. Press the black button. The 7th digit 1 represents the password and waits for the LED light to flash. Enter the next password. Press the black button. Represents the 8th digit of the password, digit 1, waiting for the LED light to flash. Enter the next password, and the 9th password is 0. Do not enter. Press the red button again. Press the green button. End of programming. Test key match complete.